you're gonna have some consequences, you know? Hey Diaries, welcome back to my channel. Today is gonna be a Dear Diary. Do you believe in karma? Do you think it's real? Let's chit chat about it. Valentine's Day is coming up, so happy Valentine's Day to the lovers. Happy Valentine's Day to the gals, and for you suckers, bye-bye. So let's talk about it. Do y'all think karma is real? Because I absolutely think karma is real, and from the things that I have experienced recently, I definitely believe in karma. Because when I sit back and think about it, I'm like, yeah, those are the consequences of your actions. And what goes around comes around. So I'm just gonna go back into like when I was in middle school and high school. I really didn't date much because, you know, as a lesbian, you still trying to figure yourself out. Your friends be trying to put you on to people, and you still trying to be like, girl, I'm trying to for real understand if I like girls or boys. Please let me figure myself out. So I really did not date. So I think me not dating in high school and middle school made me really naive to relationships, even thinking people was gonna love how I love. It was just gonna be a fairy tale, and we don't never want to end. And baby, it was just gonna be we ride off in the sunset and be together forever. So I did get in a relationship at like the end of my 12th grade year, but when me and my girlfriend had broke up, and like we broke up when I was like 21, 22, probably. I had called myself trying to be outside, right? And I can tell you, I'm a lover girl now. I ain't outside, really not my thing, but I had called myself trying to be outside. I called myself trying to date like 3 different people. I had dated this girl I worked with. Then I tried to call myself dating this boy, but then I was like, I'm not gonna be messing with nobody's feelings because, girl, you stop playing. Then I was dating this other girl. Well, we really one day we was talking, but everybody that I was talking to, I was like, oh, you mine. You can't be talking to nobody else. Like, we go together real bad. Girl didn't know how to date. I don't know how to date. But anyway, so one of the girls I was talking to, she had somebody at home. And you know how people be trying to make it seem like it ain't what it is. Like, oh, we just stay together. We going through something. We ain't really together. We just living together. Girl, stop playing with me. But you know, I just said I ain't really dated that much. So I was a little naive. I'm trying to believe what people say. Think people are going to be honest. So that was my first experience. Like, we talked for like 2 years. That's my first time ever like doing
something that I probably should have not done, that I knew was wrong.
Like, girl, you know this girl got somebody at home. Why'd you even giving her your attention? Why'd you even giving her your time? Why'd you even thinking that y'all go together real bad and call yourself dating this girl when you know she got somebody at home? Boom. Then the other person I talked to, she was introducing me to some things. Like, she wasn't really introducing me, but we used to talk about a lot of different things. So when me and my girlfriend got back together, I was like, oh, you want to try this? Oh, you want to do this? So we call ourselves having us a girlfriend, call ourselves having adding people to our relationship or whatever. You know what comes with adding people to your relationship. You know, the whole thing. So she had somebody at home also. So that's the second time I feel like, girl, you doing something that you really don't need to be doing. But hey, we YOLO, you know, that was a time of YOLO. You only live once, do what you want to do. I'm in my 20s. I think I'm out here having fun. I'm out here getting experiences. Boom, boom, bam. Okay, boom. Fast forward, I tried again. Oh, let's ask somebody else. Oh, this one I thought I was bigger than the program, but then I was like, oh, found out I wasn't, huh? Because, baby, soon as I wanted to be just like, oh, this is my relationship, I want to be in love, I don't want to do that anymore, we can just be friends, that's when got me. Came around and was like, you thought you weren't gonna repay for your actions? You thought you was just gonna get away with that? And I have, oh, okay, let me show you. Girl, heart in my chest, sliding down the wall, hurt. Because somebody doing the same thing to me that I was doing to other people. I thought it was so fun and just really didn't care. And, oh, we having fun. And not gonna lie, I was having fun. But at the same time, while I was having fun with people, them other people was at home probably crying and sliding down the wall like I currently was doing in 2022. You get what I'm saying? So yes, I definitely believe in karma because it definitely came back around and got me. And I'm not excusing nobody of their actions or nobody of nothing of what they have done. But baby, when I sit back and think about it, yeah, 2022 to 2024, crazy times because yeah, I repaid everything that I did to the people. And when I think about it, the first girl,
I taught her for 2 years. Then the second girl we talked to for 2 years. So yeah, what I went through was like for 2 years.
Yeah, I was getting my payback. I was really getting my payback. So I really believe in karma. And then it's like other things in my life that made me believe in karma, because it's like you be thinking that you can be out here and you can do what you want to do, but you're gonna have to repay for your actions. You're gonna have some consequences. You know, you just can't do what you want to do and treat people how you want to treat them and think you just like you that girl, like you her, and you can just do what you want to do, and you ain't gonna. You might be her. You might be that girl, but you're gonna repay for them actions. You gonna have some consequences. So yeah, as Valentine's Day is coming up, I just want to tell y'all, don't be out here talking to that girl, man. Don't be out here talking to that girl, girlfriend. Go find your own person. Don't be waiting to the 15th to see that girl. Man, don't be waiting to the 15th to see that girl. You know, just find your own person. You don't even want to down yourself like that. And when I sit back and think about it, I be like, girl, you really downed yourself. Because why would you even talk to that girl knowing that she had somebody at home? Even though she tried to make it seem like it wasn't what it was. But why would you even do that? You deserve better. You should have been outside having your way with everybody if you called yourself dating when you and your girlfriend wasn't together. And then when you and your girlfriend called yourself adding somebody to y'all relationship, y'all could have found somebody that didn't have nobody. Why did y'all even pay yourself like that? You see, because I ain't trying to down with nobody do that. Do what you do. That ain't my lifestyle no more. And I don't convince nobody to do that, because that comes with a lot. But find your own person when you do it. Find somebody that's into what you into, and find somebody that don't have nobody. You get what I'm saying? Because you don't want that karma, baby. You don't want that. You don't want that. And also, just do what you want to do. Like, I feel like that's why I say I was a little naive, because you don't really be knowing things, and you just think everything. But anyways, now I just want to be in love with my one person, and I just want to ride off in the sunset and have my fairy tale life. Because baby, I had my karma. Please let me go. Release me. Baby, I don't slid down the wall, I don't cry, I don't crash out, I don't did all that. And that's time for me to be happy for real. I ain't doing no wrong to nobody else. I promise. I'm not doing it. So just let me go on out to the sunset, be happy with my one little person, live my fairy tale life, and let me be happy. I promise I won't do nothing to nobody else. No, that's real how I feel, because baby, that karma was kicking my behind. That karma was literally kicking my behind. And it's like,
Let me go, free me, release me. I promise you, I'm done.
I've been done. But you was like, you thought you was done? Let me get you. Let me show you how them people feel. But yeah, happy Valentine's Day to y'all. And I just want to come here real quick and talk about that. Like, I don't really want to get into too much details. I already think I told y'all a little bit too much. But don't be out here talking to nobody that got somebody. Let them people clean up their mess, and you go find you somebody that's gonna love you, take you out, date you, court you, however you want to be treated. Let them do that with you and not have nobody else at home. You don't want nobody with no baggage. You don't want nobody with somebody. You don't want that for yourself. Why did I even think I wanted that for myself? Why would I even put myself in that predicament? Look at me. I just saying. No, but for real, look at me. Why would I do that? I know better now. I know I don't for real want that type of lifestyle. I was not built for that. Why did I even think I was built for that? I just told you I could barely date somebody because I thought everybody who I talked to was mine. Like, girl, you mine. We go together. Why did I even think I was built for that? Like, that wasn't gonna hurt my feelings. Today we're gonna, I've tried to talk about this. I try to do a get ready with me. As y'all see, the face is sitting real cute. A dating life which has been very slim to none. Put a little clip in here, maybe. This is